Xiaomi has decided to officially publish pictures taken with the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and they look spectacular. Yesterday, Xiaomi released specs of these cameras, boasting very good aperture, excellent camera arrangement with ultra-wide camera, main camera, telephoto camera, and periscope camera. The setup we all wish for, and also, as I tell you, all this with excellent light input and all cameras with high-resolution sensors. So now he's released photographs and they look stunning. There is a photograph of a child in a fish tank, and the truth is that they look excellent. The details of all the fish, the colors, even in the darkest areas you don't see any noise. This photograph was taken with the 75mm lens, and remember that it comes in collaboration with Leica. There is another photograph where you see the silhouette of a bridge and a very nice sunset, with the clouds decorating the sky and the water below. The texture looks excellent. This one was captured with 120mm. There is another photograph with 23mm, that is, the main camera, where it looks perfectly fine. An interior photograph where you can see the light coming in from a window and the darker areas are also well lit. Another photograph of someone playing the saxophone near a river. It is also a nice photograph, although I feel that this one is a bit odd in terms of the lighting of that area of shadows on the face. And you have to remember that all of these photographs are obviously not just taken with the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. They probably also have a very specific and proper handling of the lighting to make them come out as good as possible. But they also show part of the capabilities of the camera, because no matter how nice you have arranged the situation in terms of lighting, if the camera is bad, you are not going to have such a nice result. There is another photograph that I really liked, which is a sunset reflected in the windows of a vehicle. The photograph looks very nice, the level of detail is very nice, the colors too. Another photograph where you see some fireworks and a person looking up naturally out of focus. Another photograph where you can see the reflection of the water with a yellow and red coloration. Very warm. You can perceive that someone is carrying his umbrella in that street. The truth is that the results are very nice and confirm us that Xiaomi 14 Ultra is going to have a spectacular camera. And expectations are rising around this device that we already want to be presented. Remember that its global launch will be on February 25th during the Mobile World Congress. And be sure to stay subscribed because we will bring you all the information when it becomes official.